How to sublimate aluminum with these 600 milliliters aluminum bottles, a product that sells very well, and I will leave it for you here step by step. This process can be performed on either of these two machines that you have special for 750 milliliters bottles. We are going to have our printing mirror mode. Why do I have two prints? Because I want you to see the size difference from the one I printed previously, and we are going to separate them so you can see the difference. Here is one of my wonderful tests. Look how crushed it turned out. Now we are going to move on to the sublimation process. Parameter 1 is 170 degrees Celsius or 338 degrees Fahrenheit. Parameter 2 is 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. And parameter 3, which are the seconds, is 80 seconds. You must remove the bottle cap because otherwise it might melt. It is very important that you remove it. Now what we are going to do is place our sheet with a special sublimation inks on a special sublimation paper in mirror mode. Now our thermal tape is stuck very well so that it doesn't move on us. Do it carefully so that the paper is stuck very well and the paper has good contact with the product to be sublimated. The pressure should be light to a little bit medium. With these lines on the paper, you are going to guide yourselves to center it. We place it in the middle and now we are going to close it so the process begins. It's taking a bit of effort there. And now wait for the process and the sublimation time to pass. It alerts us automatically. See, it took us some effort, and be very careful because it is very, very hot. I'm gonna turn it off because we don't need it anymore. With a cloth, push gently, we place it here. I want to show it closer so you can see how the colors turned out and how the print looks. Now, with its cap, which gives the design much more appeal, I want you to see how shiny it turned out and how the sublimation looks on the edges and at the bottom. I like the result a lot. And look, it didn't get deformed. It turned out perfect in its circumference and a very good result to deliver to the client. See you in the next video, and you already know, let's get sublimating.